I co-founded 3 AI startups, and when we were doing punk, AI was not cool at all. We were training our own foundational models, we were training our own machine learning algorithms, and when ChatGPT saw the light last year, my team and I, we were trying to figure out what are relevant use cases and are the foundation models now at a peak that we could already use it, making education better. "600 years after the invention of the Gutenberg Bible, we are living now in an age where within a day, we can think of an idea of a book to publish it on Amazon, all within 8 hours. And what you see here, it's the first time in history of this institute in 20 years that there's one trend who affects all industries, no matter where you're working, and that's AI. Think of it and treat it like it's an employee, and your prompts will be a lot better. AI will not replace you, but the sales rep, for example, who is using AI certainly will in the future, because he will have other numbers than you have. He will have other qualities in their work, and he will be much faster when it comes to getting results done. And I said here in ChatGPT, act as an experienced sales expert. And then I gave him a little bit of context. You are working for an insurance company. You want to target a young target group of 20 to 30 years old. And you have the challenge to sell products to that specific audience. Come up with a strategy, and ChatGPT started. So to wrap the idea up a bit, is I started, give me a strategy with the context of my aims and targets I'm having, challenge it on weaknesses and come up with remedies, then dive deeper into one of the remedies, and then let's build, for example, such a survey. And for everyone here in the chat, just think for yourself, how long would it take you from start to result as such an example or such a starting point? And for me, it was 15 minutes of time. LinkedIn just 20 hours ago released new AI tools for the platform, for recruiting, for marketing, and also for sales. So inside sales, for those of you who's using it, gets now an AI upgrade. So you're able to target and find more relevant B2B accounts within the LinkedIn network from or starting from the accounts you already have as customers. So I want to give you an idea with another tool. So we're switching from ChatGPT to Copy AI. And what I did here is I gave him a LinkedIn profile and said, analyze it to get an understanding and a feeling of, does he understand and is he able to scrape such profiles? And it worked. You have what is called in AI a context window. So a certain amount of tokens, which is just another word for words to make it super simple for today. And it's 8,000 tokens that ChatGPT can remember. And after those, he will not be able to remember the first part of the conversation, and you will, like the person said, recognize that he's not fond of it anymore. So when you are using the Plus account, you have a new feature that is called custom instructions. And within custom instructions, we put in, hey, we are a edtech startup in Germany. Our product is called MBAI. It's an MBA for generative AI. Please answer to us in this and this and this way, and so on. So he remembers lots of our context, which helps a lot. And the second best practice for it is we have initialization prompts, which are longer with context and everything. And we copy paste those prompts over and over again in ChatGPT when it starts to forget about the context we were just chatting about and reinitiate the conversation, so to say.